5 years ago, Francine became pregnant. A student at the time, she was afraid to tell her parents. She asked VOA not to use her real name and protect her identity.
Là, j'ai constaté que c'est une grossesse.
I couldn't tell my parents because I was still in college, and if they learned of my pregnancy, I was going to stop going to school.
She ended up getting a clandestine abortion, but the procedure went badly and she had to be hospitalized.
Quand on est arrivé ici, on nous a mis dans une...
When we got here, we were taken to the consultation room. I lay down on a table, and when I took off the filling I was wearing, things were coming out of me. They told me it was my intestines.
Ils ont dit que c'est mes intestins.
There has been an increase of clandestine abortions this year as sexual assault have risen, says the head gynecologist of Aplahwe City Hospital.
J'ai eu à gérer 3 cas.
I had to manage 3 cases of clandestine abortions. There is one who died, and there are 2 teenagers, 17 and 18 years old, who are alive, but they no longer have their uteruses.
According to Benin's Ministry of Social Affairs, 200 women die each year as a result of complication. This led the government to introduce a law in October authorizing abortion to stop such death.
Avec le constat qui a été fait,
we really had to react. We have hundreds of women who died in deplorable conditions because they wanted to try to abort under non-secure conditions.
But Benin's clergy and traditional leaders opposed the law as an attack on life.
La vie de l'homme est quelque chose d'important.
The life of a human being is something important and must be considered. The problem is to know in what conditions the woman got pregnant.
But those who have had complications from clandestine abortions says there should be no debate about saving the life of women.
Quand on tombe enceinte, on ne veut pas garder là. Si on peut nous aider.
When we get pregnant and don't want to keep it, we have to be helped. Pregnancy prevents us from going to school.
Benin's government is preparing to launch a public awareness campaign in schools and throughout the country about merit of the abortion law. Kouam Joel Honoré for VOA News, Cotonou, Benin.